Welcome to the breathtaking paradise of India, the mesmerizing archipelago of Lakshadweep. Today, we are going to dive deep into the enticing beauty of this hidden gem, and uncover some of the most fascinating facts about this enchanting destination. So, let's get started. Did you know that Lakshadweep, which means 100,000 islands, in the Malayalam language, is located off the southwestern coast of India in the Arabian Sea? With its pristine beaches, clear turquoise waters, and rich marine life, it's no wonder this tropical paradise attracts adventurers and nature enthusiasts from across the globe. This archipelago comprises 36 islands, including 10 inhabited ones. Each island has its unique charm and offers something extraordinary to explore. From the stunning coral reefs to the tranquil lagoons, Lakshadweep is a haven for those seeking an escape into untouched natural beauty. With one of the most diverse marine ecosystems in the world, Lakshadweep is a paradise for divers and snorkelers. The crystal-clear waters offer a captivating glimpse into the vibrant underwater world, where you can swim among a variety of colorful fish, spot exotic coral reefs, and even encounter sea turtles and dolphins. But Lakshadweep isn't just about its natural beauty, it's also a place where culture and traditions thrive. The local people, predominantly of Muslim faith, have a unique way of life, deeply rooted in their traditions and customs. Their warm hospitality and rich cultural heritage make exploring the islands an enriching experience. Speaking of experiences, you can't miss the traditional dances of Lakshadweep, such as the lava dance and the Kolkali dance. These vibrant performances are a true reflection of the islanders' zest for life. And when it comes to food, prepare your taste buds for a culinary adventure. The delicious seafood delicacies, like tuna biryani and lobster masala, will leave you craving for more. If you're looking for a luxurious getaway, Lakshadweep has you covered. From stunning beachfront resorts to eco-friendly cottages, you can indulge in the lap of luxury while being surrounded by nature's splendor. And if you're seeking some adventure, activities like kayaking, windsurfing, and yachting are just a few options to get your adrenaline pumping. The beauty of Lakshadweep doesn't fade as the sun sets. With its clear night skies and glistening coastline, the islands offer an enchanting experience after dark. Imagine stargazing on the beach, the sound of waves crashing in the background, and the joy of witnessing bioluminescent plankton light up the water. It's a magical sight to behold. As our journey to Lakshadweep comes to an end, I hope you've fallen in love with the breathtaking beauty of this captivating archipelago. From its untouched beaches and vibrant marine life to its rich cultural heritage, Lakshadweep truly is a paradise on earth you don't want to miss. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting adventures. Until then, keep exploring and embracing the wonders of our incredible world.